Hey, what's up guys? Got a Boomba blow-off valve shipped in today, and wanted to just open up, do a little unbox for you guys and see what we got here. So let's get right to it.
Heavy raindrop out here on my one rain like this. What just felt your name? Stop, stop, stop. Heavy raindrop out here. What just put on the rain and night light, so loud and clear. What just felt your name?
Nicely packed actually, which is pretty cool. Nice. Yeah, so pretty cool. Yeah guys, that's the unboxing for the Boomba blow-off valves, and like I said, just subscribe, like the video, and watch us get these installed. And got a couple more things coming on the way for the Civics here, so stay tuned. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the videos, and yeah, let me know what you guys did on your cars, what you guys added to that, the first couple of mods and things like that, and get some going here. All right, bye.